all, I propose a deep and heartfelt thanks to the director of VNIT. Couple of things as an apology. My voice is a bit hoarse. You could imagine the fun we had yesterday. The second thing is I might refer to our college as VRC because VNIT doesn't come out so easily out of my mouth. So in the flow, I'll call my college as VRC still. So those are the two things. Thanks to Dr. Narendra Chaudhary, not here, but director of VNIT, but in his place we have Professor Podole, the officiating director for VNIT now. Thanks a lot, sir. Dr. Shashikant Chaudhary, founder chairman of VNIT Alumni Association, and the other dignitaries, Mr. Dilip Kamdar, Dr. Karmarkar, and the in charges of the Alumni Association, Joginder Singh, Mr. Arun Tripathi, Mr. Uday Kamal, and Mr. Anil Thakkar. Mr. Chaudhary mentioned that we can take the initiative to form a signature initiative on behalf of our batch. Sir, by coincidence, we were talking about this a few days back in our batch. Pankaj Kushreshtha actually had floated this idea that we will, on behalf of our batch, put something as a corpus and launch it in this event, but things were getting too hectic, and I think it was Mishra who said that let's focus on one at a time, let's get this event rolled out, and then we can go on to the corpus. So thank you very much for Professor Chaudhary for mentioning that. We will take it from here definitely, the initiative, and I'm sure the 91 batch engineers and architects will make our mark on the alumni initiatives and the corpus. Second thing is, before I give my thanks to other people, personally thankful to VRC as an institution. See, the VNIT word doesn't come out easily. It flows as a VRC in my mouth, so excuse me for that. I'm personally thankful to VRC as an institution, and I've said this in many other times. I belong to the coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh, and I've lived in many places like Kakinada, Vijayawada, then I lived in Mumbai, Pune, I lived in Orlando, Florida, in the USA for 6 years. In the last 12 years, I've been in Hyderabad. But, and I said this before, the place that I love the most is Nagpur and VRC. Because it gave India to us like no other place did. I lived for 6 years in Mumbai, and supposedly the supra metro city of or cosmopolitan city of the country, but it doesn't give India to you in a certain way. I mean, you go to a place like Pune or Chennai, you'll get a dominant Maharashtrian culture or a Tamil culture. If you go to Hyderabad, you'll get maybe a biryani culture, but they don't offer you India as a whole something. And for that, we all love VRC from the bottom of the heart as an institution. It is an irreplaceable gift that will last to us our whole lifetime. The next thing is about the organization of this event. There are a few people, who were in the background but who came out in the forefront today. First, I would like to thank the remote organizers, Pankaj Kushreshtha, for getting the t-shirts done. Rashmi from architecture for getting the souvenirs done. Ram Kumar for representing all of us on the dash. And Sanjeev Gupta and Vidula, I think, did a great job as anchors. So sometimes I feel some of our batchmates are in the wrong profession looking at these guys, but that's okay. And coming to the organization part of this, I would like to share a small anecdote. I actually drove from Hyderabad to Nagpur yesterday evening, and I got delayed. I was stuck on the highway NH7 for an hour or so, and I reached Nagpur late. I called up, I think Ram Kumar called me up and then handed over the phone to either Prashant Balanki or somebody, and they said, "ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, we are also reaching late. You come to the hotel, and from there we are going by the bus to Surabardi." And if the bus is not there, there will be a car, you can go by that car. So I reached the hotel and there is a big car, SUV, bedecked with flowers. And I was like amazed, mind blown, what the thing the organizing committee has done, right? So I got out of the car and went there and asked, "Hey, वीनेटी का है? नहीं सर, किसी की शादी है, दुल्हन के लिए वेट कर रहा है गाड़ी." I was like, the organizing committee didn't blow my mind out of it, but I don't deserve a bedecked Tata Fortuner with flowers. That did. But the story does not end there. I went inside the hotel, and my wife was talking to a lady, and she said, she came back and she said, "क्यों नहीं? ये तो हमारी building वाली आंटी है." The family that married yesterday stay one floor below ours in the same building, and they did not call us. I mean, she comes with Prasad. She comes and shares some sweets with my wife. When the girl, she's a software engineer in Deloitte, Hyderabad. Sometimes when she can't park the car in the cellar, and I don't know why some women can't park the car properly in the cellar, she takes my help and I offer help. But इतना हेल्प करने के बावजूद काइंड ऑफ डिडंट कॉल, दैट्स अ सेकंड डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. पहले तो गाड़ी हमारी नहीं थी, बाद में जिसकी शादी हो रही है वो हमारे पड़ोस है बट बुला ही नहीं. सो दिस आर काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट बाजू रखा मैंने. एंड देन आई थॉट एज अ positive thing that you have to take from every story, what is it that I can take out of this? So I thought, if you're getting somebody married in your family, make it a point to call all neighbors, because if you don't, they'll land up at the same avenues to celebrate their silver jubilee reunion. So it will be kind of embarrassment. So please take this as a takeaway. If there's a marriage in your family, please call all your neighbors, because at the same venue they may be celebrating their silver jubilee reunion. And of course, today they met in the breakfast, and the father of the bride is actually Punjabi but speaks Telugu also. He kind of apologized, sir, मैं मुझे पिलवाले from Tingada. Okay, हैदराबाद जाके देख लेंगे, leave it for some other day. अगली बार आके कार पार्क पर बोलेगा ना, फिर देखता हूँ फिर आप. So amongst that was my anecdote, and kind of I keep making these silly jokes out. So the organization committee, I kind of joked that they didn't arrange a beat-up SUV for me, but they did a fantastic job. There were a lot of members in that group, and for example, in the local organizing committee, very proud to give thanks to Hemant Javade from Mechanical Engineering Department and Purushottam Jagir. They went to all the houses of the professors to give out the invitations, and they were later on joined by Jairam Raze, Prashant Balankhe, and Virendra Dehadrai. There was Kishore Rohida. Right, Tawade and Jangir gave the invitations to all the people. So I mentioned your name already, Jangir. Yeah, right, we're good, right? Yeah, thank you.
Hey, Mehboob,
so, right.
Listen, can you ask them to stand up and let's give them an applause, man?
No, there are two more names, just hold on. There are two more names and then we'll ask them. Two more names, right? But amongst all the organizing committee, because this event is a 91 event, like Professor Padalu was saying, the evening event is a college alumni association event, but this is the 91 batch and the 92 architects event, our event. And amongst, everybody contributed well, but I think three people stand out as stellar people. The initiator was definitely Professor Sangeeta Gadve. A round of applause to her. And yesterday I told her an anecdote, I think it's worth sharing. Like I said, we are natives of Kakinada, we are 4 siblings. 3 of us have come and settled down in Hyderabad, but my younger sister is still in my native place. She is my live connection and connected to my native district. That's why and similarly, the 91 batch left one plant here in the college so that we'll always have that live connectivity with the college. So thanks a lot, Sangeeta, for the initiating of this organizing the event. But then, and this discussion is going on like for the last few weeks and months, but until 15-20 days back, it was still chaotic. It was not. We were not sure that this would turn out in the way we wanted it to be. But the turning point was the involvement of Suhas Ambade and Deepak Jain. They came up to Shailendra Mishra and told, "Jitni bhi aaye, nahi aaye, let's do it. And if we don't get the funds, we are there for you guys." And I think that's an unbelievably remarkable statement you have made. So I think they are the first among the equals of the organizing committee. Alpana Dongre was also there in helping us out. So like Pendara suggested, if the organizing committee can stand up once and show up yourselves, so we can have a round of applause for all of you. Right. Just I'm being reminded, I have told you that this wouldn't have been possible without Suhas Ambade and Deepak Jain. And one more round for Ambade and Deepak Jain. Yeah, Deepak, I think it is beyond you to come onto the stage. Without you, this would not. Ambade, Suhas. Sangeeta Gadve, yeah, my sister in the college. Professor Sangeeta Gadve, yeah. Alpana Dongre. नहीं वो आगे है.
मिश्रा जी को बुलाओ, मिश्रा जी को. नहीं बुलाएगा.
ठीक है भाई, आजा शैलेंद्र जी आ जाओ. शैलेंद्र. Okay, Fortnite and Rashmi and Pankaj Krishna, please come on. Asad, committee, both local and remote, and then I will wind up now with the artifact or the infrastructure behind this organizing committee. Wow. Okay. Wow. I'll wait on that, Kishore. Give me 2 minutes. Right. So the event, this was the human infrastructure, the committee which made it successful today. But behind that, there was a technological infrastructure, and for example, and this happened to me around the beginning of this year. I got a mail from our mining friend Ainul Mazumdar that, hey, there is a WhatsApp group. I would like to get you added. Can you give me a phone number? And I said, I didn't know why it was, and I gave him a number, and then I got added in that group in around March time. And on the day I joined, I came to chat with Prashant Pise, Lalit Bechara, Prashant Vaidya, Prashant Balake, and I was like, okay, there are Prashants, and then Prashant Vaidya, Prashant Pise says, I am also there. So it was like a good start we had on that WhatsApp group, and then later on I came to know that was set up for this reunion purpose, and then I started enjoying, chatting in that group, and kind of became a mild addiction. And the person mainly responsible, I think we owe him a heartfelt thanks, Ved Upadhyaya. 25 साल, after 25 years, we could leverage technology to get in touch with each other before we could physically meet, and the credit goes to him. And then the other thing about that group was that it almost feels like an extended family. It's kind of de-stressing and happy thing for all of us. Regardless of how this year 2016 went for me and for all of us professionally and personally, I think setting up the group and enjoying it was a cheerful event for this year, and for that I'm very much thankful. And amongst that group, there are some frequent tungiers, as we call them, right? Like frequent flyers on airlines. There are some frequent tungiers, and I would conclude by mentioning their names for making this a bit chatty, so that the spirit was always there to lead up to this event. First would be Bhagyashri, Rashmi from Architecture, Rajan Sharma, and then, of course, there are a lot of names. Sriti comes on that group, WhatsApp group. Sometimes Vivek Deswal, Anirudh Dikshit comes. But the one who is always there would be Amar Trivedi. Anytime you feel a bit like in this hectic world, if you feel you are not so much, nobody's caring for me, just come there and say hi. I'm sure within 5 to 7 minutes you'll get a hi back. So then you feel a bit more cared in this world. So Amir, thanks a lot for that. And then she gave up on me 6 months back, Shailendra. Yeah, right. I come to that. And the final person to thank, right, we all went to classes together, like all of us would have. This is the final. Yes, Professor Padale, thank you. We all went to classes together. Some of us must have gone to play games together. We watched movies together. But I went to this guy to the hospital together. So I think he knows whom I mean. 25 years back, his face was a sea of tranquility. He still has that sea of tranquility on his face. And a lot of people do Pungi on the WhatsApp group in different areas, like Joy the Bonds on movies, Dikit maybe on Madhushala, but he does the true and pristine form of Pungi. Pungi in its actual sense that it is supposed to be. Means baat pe baat, koi bhi baat, any topic. And to keep us that bonded together, my deep and heartfelt thanks to Shailendra Mishra. Thanks a lot for everything, Shailendra. Thanks a lot, brother. And this event would not have reached this unless you connected us to Deepak Jain and Sangeeta Gadve and all these people. With that, Sangeet, I have 6 more pages to go. Just hold on, please. Nah, I'm just joking.
Let me finally thank Babu for the most concise vote of thanks I've ever heard in my life.
Sir, Professor Padale, this is not my fault. As Kishore Rohida was going back, he's mentioned something that Professor Chaudhary mentioned a corpus initiative that every batch should set up. He has pledged 1 lakh rupees right now. A big round of applause to Kishore Rohida. Could you stand up please once? And Sanjeev, if you give me 1 more hour, probably you can raise 20 lakhs here. प्रॉक्सी से कर लेंगे एंड आई थिंक Pankaj Kulshreshtha, yeah, the ball is rolling, and though we may not have the corpus announced in this event, very soon, maybe it will be a new gift to our beloved VRC, we will be there. Once again, thanks a lot for being here. It was great to be in this event. Bye.